guys, it's your good Angelica Bud with a brand new video. Oh, it's been such a long time since I've filmed a video. I haven't filmed a video since August 19th. I've been going through it with my mental health and stuff, so this gonna be the first official video back since I filmed. Because every time I try to pick up the camera and film, I couldn't do it for a while. And I had like 20 videos I wanted to film and never filmed. So today, we're gonna do it. By the title of it, we're doing a side of reset. Because I need to reset from everything that went down with Ms. Hager, but we don't get back on track. I fell off my routine and everything, so we don't get back. So on this setup, we said, because I would do a Sunday reset, but I go to church on Sunday, so Sunday is like marked off just for church all day. So Saturday is usually the day that I rest, YouTube, self-care, the whole 9 yards. So today, well, I'm about to do some grocery shopping. I had to go shopping since August as well. So So first day is go shopping. Then next we gotta do this hair. I haven't did this in like 2 weeks, so we gotta do my hair and then clean up my room. Cause like I said, it's a mess. And not really a mess. It just need to get reorganized the way I had it since I was in the situation. And yeah, so that's what we do. So I'm about to head out to the grocery store. I'm going to Walmart. I need to go to Publix and Target and stuff, but I'm just not feeling it, and it's been raining and stuff because it's a hurricane season where I'm at, so it's been raining and just, I don't want to be out in the rain. I've been out in the rain going to school enough, so I'm just going to Walmart today to get something to have, something to eat. Then I do what's my go shopping another day, but first thing first is just Walmart, then come back, do hair, and I finna do my hair because I'm gonna do a hairstyle. I never tried before my hair, but I definitely want to attempt it. I seen this hairstyle on Pinterest, but they use crochet hair. I'm not using crochet hair. I'm using my natural. I'm doing it my way, like a twist to it. So just stay tuned for that. But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna head out to Walmart, and I see you when I get to Walmart. Okay, bye for now. Okay, guys, I'm back from Walmart. I'm passed out. I'm hot. It was raining and everything. So I'm going to do a quick haul because I got frozen food that need to be in the freezer right now. So just let me hurry up and do. So the first thing first I got is some washing powder because I was running on washing powder to wash clothes. Then I got a jug of Arizona green tea. No one else there. Green tea. That's why I use them for my liquid for my smoothies. Whew. I got me. I got me a jacket. I did not have my top on. I got the jacket in the large, but I'm gonna wash it before I wear it. But I got another jacket because the one I have, it's time to go. So I got 2 of these vegan beans, the black beans. So got 2 of those. I got a dang of popcorn, my favorite popcorn, kettle corn popcorn. So I got 1 box of this right here. I love that popcorn. That's my favorite popcorn to eat. Ooh, you got this one. I got 2 of these Uncrustable peanut butter jelly. I love these the most amount. I got the dang kale. I love me kale. If I use from smoothie. I got the plant-based chicken nugget from Walmart. It's a new Walmart brand, and I love the chicken nuggets. They're really good. I'm a dang of spinach, baby spinach for my smoothie. I got a dang of frozen strawberries. I'm gonna drop my down the floor. Frozen strawberry, and last but not least, I got pizza, meat-leaf pepperoni side pizza for Daya. I usually don't like these type of pizza. I usually like the one from Daya. I like is like the flatbread ranch bacon one. That is really good. You haven't tried it, but I'm gonna put this stuff up and I'll come back and we're gonna start doing my hair and everything. So I can't barely breathe. But I'll talk to you once I'm back now. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm about to get in the shower and do my hair. How my hair looking. It's soft, but I don't know. So I'm gonna use the hair to meant to be damaged recovery shampoo. This like a protein shampoo. And I really want to get some protein in my hair. I'm using the African Pride Fill-It Formula Strengthening Mask. I like using that lately. You know, the TGIN Milk Leave-In Conditioner, the OGs. And I'm going to use the Moisture and Hold Jelly from Kara's Daughter. Because the hairstyle I want to do, I'm going to do it because I know this is kind of like a jelly that make it my hair curly. So, and also I'm going to be using my facial sealer, the deep conditioner with the African Pie Fillet from the Stranded Mask. So that one I'm going to use my deep condition my hair. So, yeah. I'm going to jump in the shower and I'll come back when I start deep conditioning my hair and everything.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg. See me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama. Unless you come in with that commas. Or DJ telling the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker.
Okay guys, so put in my, yes you see I vacuum my room and I finished doing my hair. And so I had to redo the edges and stuff, that's it. But other than that, my hair is so good. You don't see the video of it soon, but you see it got like rubber band in the back and neutral. So it really look cute style. Honestly I like it, you know. I think the rubber bands, I don't know about how long I'll keep it. I want to keep it to it, but these rubber bands, honestly, I don't know about because they're hurting my head and I ain't doom type, but we see. And now I'm probably taking them out of it, but I am going to do it today. This is not the final, you know, look right here. I'm just want them to be fully dry and let them set before I actually take them out. But it's late, it's like 11 o'clock at night, so I'm going to continue this Saturday recess tomorrow. So it's still gonna be a Saturday recess because I see I back my own, but I really want to get my closet done, like my closet organized with my clothes and everything and stuff. But like you watch my first day back of school video, like my first week of school video, you can see how I have my closet set up with like, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That, you know, I want to get that set up back in. So definitely want to have my room the same way. But yeah, but we don't get them. But I love the new hairstyle. That's my first time trying to. I'm gonna refix my edges because they ain't laid down the way I want it. But other than that, yeah, I love the style. It's so cute. So, but took a little while because, you know, you gotta add the whole rubber bands in there. But in that, it's a cute, simple, low maintenance hairstyle. So definitely love it. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when we finish the whole Saturday reset because I want to do my closet. I definitely want that in a video and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do because always, like I said, we always did go shopping. We did the hair. Now if the time last about need for Saturday reset and clean it. I just want to get my space the way I had it. This like a certain way that, you know, for my mental health. Just to feel the way I like to feel, you know. So I definitely want to get my room in that way that I know my mental health. And more like I said that my mental health proven I'm, you know, functioning correctly. So I definitely want to have my space, you know, my workout area, my YouTube area. So I wanted my room to be, you know, the way I had it. So well, further, I see you guys tomorrow. So don't clear out the video. I'll be back. We're gonna finish this video off. It's still inside the reset. Okay. I see you in the morning.
Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face kind I can feel weaker. But the know that my body is a healer. I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up.
Only got a nigga calling on me. But I wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some kerosene in it. Make this stitch up, I wanna put it in the room. Wanna get a deep, I serve it like a dealer. Gripping up the I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in your bird, it doesn't feel no realer. Up every picture, I'm Polaroid. She a trophy, you know what. Lips sweet, feeling like a sirloin. Told the chauffeur, take a shit, some nasty stuff. Have a plan to be a war.
Jump, 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 dum, 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 dum. it top top. You know I love to make it jump 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump 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 jump. Take it top top. You know I love to make it.
Original girl, you want a replica. Smooth, even regular, regular. Put you for real, I'm put you on my cellular. You know say you hot.
Oh my God, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed really honest, turning it and giving time. Personal partners still talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm down, and so I can't speak about it. She know all the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to find it, hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play though. Brought it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like to drive, but he stay good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we get a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, bro taught me that way back. Kano took it off, I was always talking, say hoes where you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you want me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I'll pay that. Get this shit my hustle, when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to.
Okay, guys. So as you can see, even though it's Sunday, oh well, Monday because I at the midnight right now. But your girlfriend finna host Saturday. We say, as you see, I made up the bed, got my clothes organized because the weather where I live is crazy. And it was just hot. Now we have a hurricane, but it is hurricane season, so it's cold, it windy, it rained. The weather app saying not windy. You walk out door, it pouring not windy with floods. So I got all my winter clothes. I'm gonna give you another preview of this show because the way I did it, it's perfect. But my room looking so much better. I'm so happy. I'm slowly getting back to myself because my mental health episode I had for like a couple weeks. So I'm finally slowly getting back to myself again. I'm really proud of myself for this. So pat on the back for me. But yeah, I'm still trying to figure out what to do with my butt baby going on my butt baby on my days, and I don't know what to do with it right now. But I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna explain the whole my card situation because you've seen the cards, but you see everything in the card, but you don't know what the situation. I'm gonna show you what the situation is. So hold on. Okay, so this is the situation. So right here are like my cardigans. So I got this cardigan, this cardigan, and these are like my two business outfits right here. So because I'm a business major, so I try to keep like business style jackets on me, but you never know what I had to do like a presentation and stuff. And at school, so being business, and you go to college and you're in the business, you had to wear like business outfit. You're in political science, you had to wear like social work outfit. You had to dress like your major. So that was that for. But I don't I wear my pajamas to school. But anyway, but these are like my outfit. How you see me putting them together. all long sleeve outfit because right now it was just hot night and cold. So I'm busting out all the winter outfits. So I put on all the long sleeve with long pants. So that's what's going on in this situation. Up here, and you remember I had it like bras and underwear because one of them actually will put it on my desk for my school supply, but that never got used, so it was kind of pointless. So I just had to make it bra underwear right there. These are my towels right there and workout clothes. So pretty much the same, which is just had to divide it to make it much easier for me to find stuff. But yeah, that's the whole closet situation. So I hope you enjoyed it. Saturday reset, even though it's Monday morning, but it's still Saturday in my mind. But pretty much what we did was, one, we went grocery shopping. Two, we did the hair because look at this. Look at this new look. And three, we clean. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You want to see more kind of like reset video or what you can do like to get yourself back on track after a mental health episode or whatever, just let me know because I can do a lot of videos like that because honestly my goal right now is just get back on track, get back on my routine, and just get back, save mind for school and for, you know, my well-being and stuff. So let me know. But I'm going to end the video here because I need to get ready for bed because I got school in less than 11 hours because I'll be at 12 o'clock and my first class don't start till 12 o'clock on a Monday. So I can let the 11 hours, but I still got so much stuff to do. I'm sorry I came in late. I had a presentation, my PowerPoint presentation due before 11:59, so that's why the cleaning came a little after. I literally started cleaning at 11 o'clock, but I did have to get that PowerPoint presentation done. But anyway, I know it's time off here because I got another video to film in the morning. So make sure you just subscribe to my channel to check out the video. I'm back on it. You're good at back on right after that. I'm back. We're gonna get a video. I got 2 million likes. My bus has been filming till November, but hey, it's all good in the hood. But hope you like the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Mwah.